Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 10 lines on gardening in English. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Now let's start the topic. Gardening is an activity of growing different types of plants and flowers. Plants and trees are essential part of our life. We grow many kinds of plants and flowers in our garden. In gardening, we should grow different types of plants. Without plants, we cannot survive our life like eating, breathing, etc. Gardening allows to grow fruits, vegetables and flowers. If we grow fruits and vegetables in our garden, then we get fresh items. We take care of our garden by proper cutting and watering plants. Gardening is a good and enjoyable time. Gardening is a best activity to release the stress or tension. Thanks for watching.